Let's try this romantic hairdo. Part your hair in half all the way to the back. Now take a flake on both the sides and secure it to the back. Secure it with tic-tac pins so it is out of your way. For the first tie, take equal hair from both sides and tie it below your chin. My hair is very thin, so I had to keep knotting the hair tie for quite some time. For second tie, again take equal hair from below the first tie and tie it under your chin. This time I doubled the hair tie to make it easier. For third tie, repeat the same process but also keep separating each tie on the way. I know my face looks funny while doing this, but it is what it is. For the fourth tie, again repeat the same steps, but trust me, the end result is worth going through all this. For the last tie, take equal parts of hair, but this should be from lower end of your scalp. Now repeat the whole process again and separate each tie so that you get each knot separately. Once done tying, open up the flicks. Now let's take these ties out of your face one by one. Some of them were easy to take back while there was a little struggle for a few, for which I loosened the tie a bit. When done, it looked amazing, but the first tie kinda looked odd, so I decided to open it up and include it in my flicks. I just can't believe how dreamy this hairdo is, and I think it will look amazing when adorned with a gown. See you next time.